Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to Eiffel Tower, the icon of Paris. Frankly speaking, I still can't believe that I'm going to see Eiffel Tower. Oh my god, I need to pinch myself to believe this. Look at this giant architecture. It was actually built as the main exhibit in 1889 for the World's Expo held in Paris. Unquestionably, Eiffel Tower looks way modern in its shape compared to the styles that were popular in the 18th and 19th centuries. After getting off the bus, it was a short walk to the entrance of the Eiffel Tower. Actually, we came a little early before the gate opens to avoid the long queue, though we couldn't avoid it. So we explored the place from outside, clicked some pictures and then went inside. Let's see a 3-year-old super enthusiastic girl's journey to the top of Eiffel Tower. She made it all alone. Yes, she made sure so that nobody holds her hand. Rather, we had to match up to her speed, which was actually too fast. Let's climb to the first floor of the Iron Lady, which is 190 feet above the ground. According to the Eiffel Tower's official website, more than 7 million people visit this iconic tower every year. You can walk up the stairs up to the second floor and then take elevator, or you can take elevators straight away from the ground floor if you don't want to stretch your legs. She did not need any help though to climb up the stairs. "57 meters above the ground. This is the first floor of the tower. Ideal place for a breakaway from the crowd of visitors." A huge open space with a glass flooring on the side of the edges can take your breath away with the panoramic view of the city. You can pick some souvenirs from these shops, and if you feel hungry, you can treat yourself with a classy lunch at the restaurant 58 Tour Eiffel. You have to go down a few steps from the main level to access the balcony, where you can have a nice quiet walk with a magnificent view that can go further on a sunny day. Let me show you the wonderful bird's eye view of the city of Paris from the first floor of the Eiffel Tower. River Seine looks so beautiful from the top. This gallery is full of film posters that has a proud presence of Eiffel Tower in the film. Truly, this place is a treat for filmmakers. Now it's time to climb up to the second floor and get a much better top view of Paris. And yes, she will lead us again. I was really surprised to see her climbing the stairs so easily with firm steps, and we just loved following her. Everybody was smiling, looking at the way Moore was climbing the stairs all alone. But I must say, I was feeling like a proud father. Sometimes you need to enjoy what you are doing, and we just wanted to let her do that. I hope you can see the light bulbs up there that illuminates the tower beautifully at night. But sorry, I can't show you the night view in this video because we left the place long before sunset. 115 meters above the ground, this is the second floor of the tower. In my opinion, the best place to see the city of Paris from the top. The tower is open to visitors 365 days a year with visiting times varying by season. Better you check the official website for the timings in detail. She was literally feeling hungry after the climb and had some biscuits to collect some more energy. Third floor or summit is almost 900 feet up, and for that you have to take the elevator because there are no stairs to go up there. So let's enjoy the most thrilling elevator ride. Let's enjoy the view from the topmost point of the Eiffel Tower. The view from this place is quite different than the rest of the floors. It seems like watching Google Earth or something like that. Objects are not as prominent as the second floor, but who cares? You are on top of Eiffel Tower. That's the most important thing. You can also enjoy a glass of champagne with incredible view of Paris standing next to the original office of Gustave Eiffel. Time to go down and enjoy the beautiful riverside. the place to chill and stretch your legs after coming down from the tower with quite a nice view of Eiffel Tower from a different angle. There are numerous tours available on board which will take you to all the way across the heart of Paris. It's a different way of exploring the city altogether. All major cities in the world were built around a river in the past, and for Paris, it was River Seine. The river complements Paris, and when in Paris, one must keep some time just to walk or relax along the riverside. Paris is a city which can be best seen by walking. We decided to just walk and explore the place the best way possible. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel to travel with me. Press the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notification for new videos. Tell me in the comment section how did you like the video. You can share the video as well. Thanks for watching, be happy and keep traveling.